Hi everyone, I have a problem in my Sony PS3 Super Slim. She don't want to read a disc. I put it at Gran Turismo 5 and she didn't want read it. I open the YouTube and someone says put the disc and do that, and I do it, and someone said do that like that with the back and put the disc and she will read it. But this is work for 1 or 2 times, I think so. I figure out something. I don't know if it's good, it's maybe work or not. Look here guys, I have a bad, and look here guys, we have a little wire. I play with this wire, and after that she's read it every time I put the disc. I push it, I don't know what I toot with him, and she's still working. She's don't want to read it, and she's don't want to read it. Shit. I hope so. Fuck. Now she's read it. I restarted. Guys, try this solution. I don't know, maybe it's work. There you go. Just thank you guys.